Hi, Adam and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 24 Stollar Boulevard. This two-story all-brick home boasts over 2,000 square feet of living space, and each and every inch of this home has been put to good use.
That's right, Jules. Not only is this home outstanding, but so is the location. Guys, you've heard the old adage before, location, location, location. Well, this is a true representation of that. You're within walking distance to a number of schools, restaurants, gyms, as well as a movie theater, plus you back onto a park. This one is not to be missed. Let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing. Julie mentioned outside that this home makes perfect use of every square foot, and it's evidenced the moment that you walk through the door. There are plenty of two-story layouts in Barrie, but none quite as good as this. This one gives you space for a full-size dining table, two separate living spaces, as well as that all-important powder room.
The functionality of this home extends to the upper level, with 3 good-sized bedrooms, a full 4-piece bathroom, and a master retreat with ensuite and walk-in closet. The theme for this home is truly utilization of space, and that continues in the lower level. It's been recently remodeled. It has a 3-piece bathroom and a flex space you can use as a home office.
And let's not forget about the place that we all do our best work, that all-important home bar. Much like the inside of this beautiful home, every square inch of this backyard has been perfectly utilized. You have a fantastic dining and cooking space for the adults, plus a play structure for the kids and a spot to unwind at the end of the evening, and no rear neighbors.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.